What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And in this video, we're gonna unbox this guy right here, the Redmi Note 14 5G with the 108 megapixel AI camera and a powerful 5G processor. Let's get to it. So, I'm pretty sure there's nothing inside of it. So this one feels quite hefty compared to the other ones. As you see here, as I mentioned, 108 megapixel AI camera with optical image stabilization, 45 watts turbocharging with 5110 milliamp hour battery, MediaTek Dimensity? Sounds strange. 7225 Ultra Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 120 Hz eye care display, IP64 dust and water resistant. So that is actually pretty cool for this type of budget phone. All right. This one has really sticky tape. And as you see here, guys, here it is. It is pretty, it has a pretty nice, I would say it looks pretty nice. Doesn't feel that budgety actually. Doesn't feel cheap. So let's set it up real quick. See what's inside of the box. SIM card tool thingy. USB-C to USB-A, quick charging, turbocharging, whatever kind of ultra fast charging it has, and a nice soft case that we're going to use because why not? When was the last time you saw a microphone jack? That's a long time ago. Wow. Let's put the case on if it wants to get on. All right. Let's set it up real quick because I just want to see real quick how the camera is and stuff. Then afterwards I can always install all the needed things that I need. That's right, I said that. All the needed things that I need. So we got here Redmi Note 14, Xiaomi 15, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Pretty nice, pretty dope. All right. This takes a little bit more time than I expected. So far, this looks pretty smooth, right? Can you see it? So that goes pretty nicely. Let's see, photos. This one does not have Leica branding or anything like that. So let's take the first photo and see how that is. So there was a timer, right? Had to take some time before I took a photo. Looks vibrant. So let's do. It cannot do 4K. That is somewhat disappointing, to be honest with you guys. 2025 cannot do 4K. Well, anyways. This right here is now shot on the Redmi Note 14 5G and shot in 1080p 30 frames per second. How does it look? How does it sound? I think okay-ish, right? I think so. I think it's very useful in good lighting conditions. Quick selfie. So looks okay, I have to say. So guys, if you're looking for a budget phone and you want to know more about this phone, let me know in the comment section down below. Ask what you want to ask about this phone, and then I will try my best to help you out. And in a couple of weeks then you will see the full review of this budget phone, and I'll tell you guys whether this is a good one to buy and spend your money on or not. Right, that's it for this video. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.